Hey, welcome back to our channel. This is Bob from Ambro Manufacturing, and today we're here to talk about stadium seats. I'm not talking about bleachers. I'm talking about those seats that you bring to the game to protect your ass. What? Rich, can you say ass on YouTube? Anyway, these stadium seats come in a wide range of different varieties, and I want to talk to you about our seat compared to our competitor's seat. So first, Rich, would you mind holding up the seat that our competitors are usually offering? I mean, really, look at this piece of shit. Can you say on YouTube? Well, anyway, this is not much of an ass protector. Sorry, I keep saying ass on YouTube. But anyway, it's very thin. You know, we're talking about maybe a half an inch of foam. You're going to sit on that and your cheeks are going to really dent it in, and it's not going to work for you. So we don't offer this crappy kind of stadium seat. Thanks, Rich. Now let me show you the second stadium seat that other people are calling premium seating. Now take a look at this one. Now it's a little bit better, but you know, it looks fancy. There's some straps on it, but listen, if you're a little bit, oh yeah, all right, sorry, there's a pocket. There is a pocket. If you're a little bit of a larger individual and you try and sit in this chair with this webbing over here, it's just not going to work for you. I mean, you're going to bend that over. You're going to probably snap and fall off the back of the stadium seat. You're really not going to enjoy the game. So, you know, Rich, let's get rid of that. We're not offering that product either.
It's no good.
No, really, it's no good. Now, what we do offer are these premium stadium seats. And take a look at this bad boy. It's got a nice handle. It is super well constructed. It's all steel. It's got a nice seat right here for your butt cheeks. And look underneath. It's got a handle there that you open up and you put it right on the bleacher so you can't slide backwards and fall off. And take a look at this cushioning right here. Rich, if you don't mind showing the bottom, it's nice and webbed under there, and it keeps you right off of the cold stadium seat. Now, this is the type of stadium chair that we're offering here at Ambro Manufacturing. And don't forget, we can personalize the back. Rich, show me the back. We can put your name like right here on the back seat, so nobody sits in your seat when it's halftime and you're up getting your coffee. You know what I'm saying? And here's the best part. The minimum order is not 48 pieces. You can order one of these. So go to our website at Ambro Manufacturing and take a look at these premium stadium seats.